guys, it's the Saturday and welcome once again to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. So for today, I will be opening up my day 5 gift from Nechan. I'm gonna show you the sticker. Okay, wait, let me just switch the camera. Be beautiful like summer flowers and death like autumn leaves. Nice. Thanks, Nechan, for this very inspiring message. So, for today, it's the weekend and I woke up very late, 11 a.m. and I'm going to play Fortnite with my sister. As you can see there on the screen, that's me and that's her. We're doing terno. And after that, we are going to Commons. We are going to walk Matchan's dogs. So yeah, it's nice that we'll be able to walk a little bit again and go out. Yay! Always excited when I get to go out. So yeah, let's just chill for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way. Anong gift? Ay, oo nga pala, sorry, hindi ko nabuksan. Let's open up the gift. White caramel. Great taste white caramel. I got a coffee from Nechan. Start your day a little sweeter. Nice! Thanks, Nechan! And it's time for lunch. I have been playing for about 2.5 hours now, and I'm just gonna eat our leftovers last night. And I have these clams and roasted potatoes. Guys, so I'm now here in Capital Commons and we're looking for Matchan's mom and Kuya and the dogs. Oh, he found his friends. Okay.
Ready? Hey!
Hello, Summer! Hello! Hello, Summer! Hello! Hello, doggies! Oh my God! Bagay sa'yo, lady!
Ganda naman ang ano.
Ganda naman! So pretty! So cute! Hello, Summer!
Ang ganda na damit ni Lady.
Bagay sa kanya! Kaysa yung ano yung mong binili? Blue? Ano yung una mong binili? Blue?
Blue.
Mas bagay yan sa kanya, oh!
Hindi magpapayat ka, oh. Hindi naman siya nasasakal na dahil. Ayan tama.
Parang aso, mas okay nga.
So cute! I'm getting this one for myself. Hehe. The Lord. Ang tamis. Hindi ito yung kinain ni Edmund. Hindi pala ito, guys. Sorry. Hello, so now I am going to wrap up the gifts that we have. So this is for the kids in Aroma that will be donated to them, and for the girls we have red wrappers, and for the boys we have the green wrappers. And this is what I got for really cute pink shirt that has a cute cat print and some flowers. I thought it was artsy and cute. Let me just cut the tags. Hello, what do you think of the video so far? If you have any suggestions on how I can improve on my next videos, feel free to comment them down below. I would really appreciate it. Thanks! This is the shirt that I got for a boy. It's really cute. It's the Raymond. I wanted this for myself as well. Even the sales lady told me that there's a shirt like this that can fit me, which is a size 160. I think that's good for 15 or 16-year-old kids. We are down with 2 gifts. I'm done with the gift for the boy. Now let's turn to Achan's gifts. He actually liked this very much. He was thinking of not giving this one anymore and keeping it for himself, but I told him no. Good job, listen. Let me just find his red wrapping paper. I am done wrapping the gifts for the children in Aroma and Happyland, and also for our godchildren. Thank you so much for watching my video.